vlog for today. Welcome to Myeongryun. So notice, ayan yung table namin guys, naka-ready na siya. But before we go there, I would like to take you on a quick tour. Diba? So dito po sa likuran ko naman, ito yung kanilang buffet area. So you can sayan nila.
안녕하세요. Welcome to Myeongryun Jinsa Galbi.
안녕하세요. Welcome to Myeongryun Jinsa Galbi.
Nice! So, eto yun guys. This is our table for today. Actually, this is an eat all you can, unlimited. So, you can order as much as you want. Ito po yung mga what you can get here. So, included na yung order natin sa kitchen or yung mga available dito sa buffet table natin. So, we have several kinds of meats. Ayan, meron tayong tin pork belly, meron din tayong tin beef belly, beef bulgogi, we also have jinsa galbi. Meron din tayong mga chicken, no? Soy chicken, spicy chicken. Ito sila guys. Meron ding salted at saka pork enoki rolls. Ako pinakamagandang nakita kong slice dito, yung pork belly, which is this one. We also have side dishes. Ito, available itong mga side dishes na to dito sa buffet table natin. And if you are into soup, no, meron tayong soybean, kimchi, and of course, yung ating egg soup tsaka yung volcano rice. Tikman na natin to. Gutom na ako, guys. Let's get it on! So, let's talk about the prices, guys. For only 599 pesos, unlimited na po kayong kakain dito for adult paying. Now, for kids that are 4 feet below, 300 pesos po yun. Nag-iba lang po tayo yung duration natin dito. So, you can eat as much as you can for 2 hours during weekdays. And then, weekends and public holidays naman po, meron tayong 100 minutes.